Okay students, let's solve these questions step by step in the easy way. The question is 5 square plus 5 cube by 5 cube. Our question is 5 square plus 5 cube by 5 cube. First, we have to remember one important rule. When a power number has a power, calculate the power first. Let's calculate 5 square. Five square is 5 multiply 5. Then we'll get 25. Now let's calculate the 5 cube. Five cube equal to 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Then we will get 125. Now our questions become 25 plus 125 by 125. Now first add the number 125 and 25. Then we will get 150 by 125. So we have now 150 by 125. We can simplify this fraction. Both numbers are divisible by 25. $150 divide 25. 125 divide 25. If we divide 150 with 25, then we will get 6. And if we divide 125 with 25, then we will get 5. So final answer is 6 by 5. Or in the mixed number form, our answer will be 1 by 5. If you understood this method, like, share, subscribe and comment for more easy math tricks. Thank you for watching my video.